Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's Monday again. So, usually Monday we start with weekly chart to see how the last candle closed and so on. Hey Ivan, hey Bukur, hey Andrei, hey Menes. Good morning, Stefan. Good morning. Okay, people, let's start with Bitcoin on weekly. Let's see what we have. Let's see if we'll get a bounce or what are the levels we should pay attention. So, well, I'll start with the key phrase, crypto summit is for public. Yeah? If you remember last week, a stupid trader told you that crypto summit is actually buy the rumor, sell the news, and is not for us. We should not get bullish in the event. And look at the result. Weekly candle close. We started at 94 and we closed at 81. Yeah. First crypto summit ever. Trump will do I don't know what, and well, it's for the public, not for us, people. Please understand that. You know? Yeah, Stefan, I saw what you posted there with the moving average. Yeah, it's true. It's bullish. But remember the time frame. And it will take time until that will happen. It will not happen this week or today. It will take time for that to kick in and to see the results, to be able to trade. That's for investment plan. We have the dollar cost average. We have the road to financial freedom, last chance challenge. That's good for higher time frame, for investments. For trading, well, not yet. We need more than that. Okay, we had the crypto summit. What now? Well, people, the last swing low we have is here. Yeah? Doesn't matter how you put it, that's the last swing low. We don't have anything else. The high is here. Mountain man, here. So call me crazy, but until you'll show me some bullish, some W's here, I will consider that the market wants to go back and retest 69 and 72. 61.8 long reload zone. Look left. Yeah, we can see it's a Wyckoff check here, and then to test the all-time high. Now on lower time frame, for example, not weekly, daily, we are due for a bounce here. I think, yeah, we can bounce, a dead cat bounce to retest some levels. But overall, on weekly chart, I don't see that bullishness people are talking about. No? Some of them. Well, we have to stop here and we have to reverse. Well, not really. 61.8 is lower. If we reverse here, okay. Lower the volatility, because you will not get a reversal in this volatility, that's for sure. And then give me a W. If I'll see a W, I'll consider, well, let's try that W. Until then, I'll think bounce and then lower. Okay, we can go, for example, on daily chart. Let's delete this one. This was just I told you so kind of approach. What we have here on daily. Here we have a high, we have a low, we have a lower high, a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We are attempting to do a higher low here. It's an attempt. But nothing more than that, people. The structure on daily is bearish. We are in a downtrend channel. Call it whatever you want. Do whatever you think it's fit for you. But the structure on daily chart is not bullish. Give me at least a daily W here. So I could think bullish. Overall, we are still bullish on higher time frame. We are still in a bull market, but we are correcting. Yeah? This is a correction in my view. And usually correction stop at the first support. And unfortunately, the first support is here. I don't think we'll stay here for months, but at least we should retest that level to say, well, level is checked, no business here, let's go up again. This is my 2 cents, people. So let's not become too bullish without enough evidence. Now, that's Bitcoin on daily. Let's go back on weekly and let's see Ethereum, what we have. Well, Ethereum closed even worse. Look at it. We closed below 61.8. On lower time frame, yeah, okay, we can bounce. We can think dump chaser zone, not more than that. From this swing high to this swing low. Yeah. Dump chaser zone, nothing more than that. Let's try to put a dump chaser zone on daily chart. I think that's better. And the last one is this. And if I put this one, well, we should bounce all the way up here. Maybe yes, maybe no. I don't know. If we'll bounce here, we'll make a new high. I don't think we'll do that. So let's think about dump chaser zone. There you go. So if you'll see a bounce in $2,200, well, that's your bounce. I will short? No. I'll wait for a W. Doesn't matter where I'll stop. When I'll see a clear W on daily, I'll assume that that's the bottom and I'll try to hunt long ideas. We are in 2025 and I'm hunting only long ideas, people. But in the same time, we have to see what is in front of us. We have to see the chart and realize that here on Ethereum, we have the same like on Bitcoin. Lower highs and lower lows. And that indeed we are reaching the support area here. If we'll accept below $2,000 and we'll go, I don't know, 1.8, 1.6, 1.5, that will be a gift for us. Because nobody, let's be real, no investor or a trader with a lot of experience wants to buy, to invest in Ethereum above $2,000. No, you want below, you want as cheap as possible. So you'll have an acceptable risk to reward. I'm not talking trading, I'm talking investment. Well, I want to buy it and hold it. Well, if it's below 2,000, keep in mind that maybe we'll reach 5, maybe we'll reach 10. Maybe I'm tempted to buy 2,000. 1,500, well, that's better. The lower it goes, the more attractive it's becoming, people. Lower time frame is one thing, yeah? Underperforming Bitcoin it's another thing for the moment, but investment it's a different time frame, a different approach. The lower the better. I'm not saying, well, we'll go to 78.6. No, we are in the 61.8 already. Give me that W. Please give me that W and I'll be more than happy to think long. Okay. Bitcoin dominance. Well, same range. We discussed it yesterday in the weekly crypto review. Not too many things we can say about it. No? Range here from 61.5 to 60. I could see it 1-to-1 in the short reload zone. I could see it 1-to-1 in 60% and maybe we'll close below. Who knows? But we have a range here. Okay. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. We are in a long reload zone if we are thinking the last bounce. You can see the tail, the bounce, and we are at 78.6. Now please give me a W. No W, nothing you can do that. Well, we'll consider that Ethereum will start outperforming. We discussed that on weekly chart, for example. You can see if we'll bounce from here and we'll accept above 0.03, that will form a weekly W. Not the best, but if you consider the wicks and the tails, then yeah. Maybe we'll take more time here, fuck around and do a proper W, who knows. It's Ethereum versus Bitcoin is not the best chart you can trade. But you get the idea. Total market cap at the same place. Look at that ugly close, like everything else. Yeah? Crypto summit, people. When the fuck you learn, people? I'm not talking about old people here. Stefan knows. A lot of TRIer knows. They know that. But in general, when you learn not to trust crypto summits, good events in crypto. People are not, these events are not for you. I told you last week, I told you every time, I'm telling you the same. These events are for the public. They are traps for public, not for you. You decide if you want to be part of the public. Falling in the same fucking trap. So, put it in your daily journal. Yeah? And learn this lesson. Yeah? Crypto events are to sell, for the crypto guys, the insiders, to sell their coins. We want to give you another example. This is total, okay? Total tree is looking kind of similar. I think we can push even lower here in 680 billion. I'll give you another example. You remember Istanbul or something like that? Where the fuck is that one? So, let's see. I'll find it, man. You remember Istanbul here? Something here? Crypto events are for public to fall in the trap. Look at it. Now nobody is buying Jupiter. Everyone's saying, hey, it's a scam. No, it's not. But that was the event. Okay, let's go back on the charts. Altcoins, after the big drop, like Jupiter and everything else, they are bouncing a little bit. You can see, but nothing special. Look at them. Let's put a daily chart, and everything is bouncing a little bit after hit the ground hard. Where the bottom will be? Well, people, for a bottom we need at least a daily W. It doesn't work with 4-hour W. Yeah, first we'll get 4-hour Ws, maybe we'll play some setups, but a reversal in my view, it's at least a daily W, breakout and retest, and let's see if we'll hold. Until then, we are still in the downtrends. Slowly, people that they are dollar cost averaging, that's heaven for you. That's the best opportunity for dollar cost averaging people. And the people with experience know that the lower the better. Because, for example, on Bake, if I buy $100 worth of Bake at 33 cents, it's a different story than when I'm buying $100 worth of Bake at 12 cents. Okay? I'll buy double the amount, even more than that. So the lower the better. Dollar cost averaging guys are really happy that the market is going lower and lower. That's the best for them. Swing traders here, well, swing traders usually stay on 4-hour chart. We had some attempts here for 4-hour Ws, and I tried it with 3 or 4 trades. Everything failed, so now we need to wait for another round, for another W to even attempt to long the market. Yeah? Because catching falling knives is not for us. We don't have Ws on 4-hour charts, so nothing we can do. Well, we should put our hands under our asses and wait. If you have a dollar cost averaging plan, that's good, because it's a new week. You should have a new buy this time, and you should buy more coins this week. So that will be something nice for you. But besides that, either you are a day trader and you are trading on VIP with us, or you are an investor and you are dollar cost averaging. If you are a swing trader or in between, well, not too many things you can do. Okay, we can go the entire list, same thing. Everything is bouncing a little bit. Yeah? We hit the ground really hard and now we're bouncing. It's Monday, people. Remember that Monday we should form the Monday high, the Monday low. Okay, now if I'll go on lower time frame, for example, that's 5-minute chart. I need a 1 hour. 5-minute chart is not for this live stream. Okay, we had a classic ping pong until we broke down. Okay, we had the bounce back in the long reload zone here, 78.6. A stupid trader told you to buy this level. Hopefully you did. Then up in the short reload zone, fib ponging here. Then another shark here. If you took it or not, it's up to you. Then breaking down, retesting again, another fib pong on lower time frame, and now testing the big one, the support here. Here I could consider, well, we broke the fib pong play here, taking this low. Now, what we need even on 1 hour? Well, we need a W, we need something to think long. Because we have a damn good location where the market bounced last time. We bounced a little bit when we stopped. At some point in time, if we are thinking the market will go and retest, I don't know, 70K, well, now has a good chance to do that. Why? It's close to that level. The market is bearish. The event is over. We don't have bullish events in front of us immediately. I don't know. These days, the traditional market is not the best. Look at it. I don't see the bullishness on traditional market, yeah. I'm not considering that the market will will go to new lows and, well, 5,500, maybe 5,000 if will be something ugly. But yes, like also Bitcoin, they are up only markets. A lot of people don't get that. Up only markets. You don't want to sell them, you don't want to short them. If you are an investor, you want to buy the dip every time. Okay, people, that's Bitcoin on 1 hour. If I'll see a W, if I'll see something nice, okay. Some scalpers made some money overnight. Honestly, yesterday, I put two trades. Both of them failed in this area, so I have minus 1% already. I'll wait for a clear setup to play it. I managed to get an entry, a good entry on Ethereum at $2,000. And that covers for my loss, but that trade is not closed yet. So, managed to scalp long here. And I still have the trade. So that compensates and even give me a small profit now. But overall, ugly environment, even for a scalper. Monday is not the best one to play. If you want to play on lower time frame, well, you can draw a long reload zone and you can attempt to long a retest in this area close to $2,000. And if you want to short, well, I showed you what you should do. Take the swing high, swing low, dump chaser zone, short reload zone to short if you want. Up to you. But I don't see anything special on Bitcoin or Ethereum for the moment. Yeah, Robert is saying hit the like button. Well, 35 people, 34 and 10 likes. Well, I'm okay with that. You can, if you like the content, give me a like. If you don't like the content, don't. I'm not here to, I'm not feeding myself with likes. I'm not an influencer. I'm just telling you my opinion. This live stream is actually made for premium people, premium and VIP people, and we decided to make it public for the moment. Yeah. So this is premium content from Crypto Traders Arena. What we are doing every day to plan the market, and because we want to increase a little bit the community, we said let's keep it public. But you get the idea. The likes will not, how to call it, will not pay my bills. And I don't want to get in that category where my bills are paid by YouTube. No, thank you. A lot of altcoins are looking attractive. Maybe you want to hunt long ideas on coins like Hype, for example. If you'll get a clear setup. There are coins that are attractive. If you zoom out, you'll see some good levels. But at the end, it's up to you. TI is back at $3. I don't see the W here. Maybe one slower. And I talked about TI yesterday. We have to talk the good and the bad. Yeah. The good is that, well, TI is really nice. The bad is that 500,000 of TI are unlocking every day, and it's put in the category small unlocks. Well, define small, define big. Sorry, people, but that's the reality. Same on Dimension, same on other altcoins. If I remember exactly, I think, let's see. This one, alt, has all the, or has only 10%. Well, look at it. Look at this motherfucker. Alt has 90% of the coins in the market already. So, for example, on alt, if you want to play along, well, look at the double, it's already there on 1 hour. You can see a difference between the coins. You get the idea. Back retesting this neckline will give you a nice trade. Overall, up to you, people. The market is in a retracement, let's call it that way. How low it can go, I don't know. If you are a dollar cost averaging guy, you are investing with that strategy, that's, like I said, really nice for a dollar cost average guy. That will give you really nice feels. If you are a little old lady, well, you are stuck. If you already bought, you have to wait for a sell half on a double. If you are a swing trader, wait for 4-hour Ws. Nothing you can do in this environment. If you are a day trader, 1 hour and lower, well, for example here, we have a W, you can play this one. And look at it, W on the market, W on OBV, W on RSI. So I could consider it okay. If you want to see where we'll stop, put a short reload zone here, and you can see why I put my take profit there. But you get the idea. Here, nothing you can do. Look for ideas that look like this. You have the W and you are playing the retest. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but usually what I'm doing, I'm hunting for the W's that already formed, because this is not the environment where you want to take the breakout. It's not that bullish. So you want to take the retest, because that will increase a little bit the win rate and that will keep you profitable. So, W, breakout and retest. I'll take this one, for example. I'll look for 2 more setups and that's enough, because that will put my total risk somewhere between 1.5 and 3%. Morning, Bob. So you get the idea. Until I'll see anything else, I'll play ideas like this, like alt. And everyone could go and scan the market and look for W's. Textbook W, nice confirmation from indicators, no bearish divergence. Good risk to reward here. This is the ideas I'll play today and maybe the entire week, who knows. I don't want to keep this live stream too long. If you manage to scalp longo, I saw on VIP some people managed to get a really nice entry at $2,000. Remember last week we bought that level. Yeah? Some people bought it on spot, some people bought it with leverage. But anyway, we retested that 2,000. It's holding for the moment. Bouncing on Ethereum in the, like I said, $2,200 is not bad. Okay? But Ethereum, you can see it's ugly here. No W. Ugly market structure. You have to play it differently. Ethereum is one of the coins. Ethereum and Ripple are the coins that are ugly to trade on lower time frame. Tradable but ugly. Okay. So for the moment, I'll hunt 1 hour W, breakout and retest. I think that's the best strategy, at least for me. If you have questions, please ask in the chat. If we don't have any question, let's call it a live stream and see you guys in the, I don't know, VIP live stream if you are a VIP. New York session if you are a premium member, or tomorrow the same video if you are from the public. By the way, if you want to join premium, we have 4 places for this month. Well, no questions, so let's call it a live stream. Let's wait for higher time frame W's and let's play 1 hour lower W's. Other retest if will be the case. Well, sentiment at the lowest, well, could go lower, Jade. Never say never but indeed, it's closer to a bottom than to a top. So, setups, plan, risk management, that's the key in trading. I love that people are spending thousands and thousands of dollars fucking around in the market. Yeah. 10% risk per trade. But they are not putting the time and effort. They are so lazy, some of them. They are not putting the time and effort to say, well, Paul, you are doing the couple one. I'll focus 4 months to learn. And I'll become a swing trader. And then I know what I'm doing in the market. They are fucking around with their own money. And they put a lot of effort to gather that money. And they are just throwing it away. But they don't want to learn. Call me crazy, but I don't understand them. Okay, let's call it a live stream. See you guys in the New York session or tomorrow the same video. Bye bye.